guys, I hope everyone is having a good time. I'm just really excited because today I will get to share with you all on how I was able to get all of these pregnancy and baby related stuff for free. And just to keep you in the loop as well on what's been happening with me here in Adelaide. I'm currently on my 38 weeks of pregnancy. We are just literally days away from meeting our little princess. If you could shower me and my little baby some love by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet, staying with me until the very end of the video if you're interested in what we're going to talk about today. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, so one of the ways on how I was able to get some of these goodies is just by simply attending baby fair or expo. Basically, a baby fair or expo is an event where trusted brands, even small businesses, come together to give parents or parents-to-be the opportunity to purchase pregnancy or baby stuff on a very special deal. This is where they also showcase their latest product innovation. The best part of these events is that there are experts available in the venue giving talks on very useful information such as breastfeeding, labor and birth, how to keep your children safe in the car or even in the house, and so much more. As a first-time mom, it's very important because I could only get as much information as I can, especially that it is only me and my husband living together, and who's gonna change places in taking care of our newborn. So all throughout my pregnancy, I was able to attend 3 baby fairs. The very first expo or fair that I have attended is called PBC Expo. This one is pretty popular here in Australia because they're doing the expo all year round in different states. And PBC stands for Pregnancy, Baby, and Children Expo. Now, they haven't really given away any free stuff at all for the attendees, apart from this shopping bag, where you're supposed to put in all of the products or stuff that you bought from the fair. So the next fair that we did take part in was called Bell Baby Beyond Fair, and they promised to be Adelaide's most stylish boutique baby fair, and mind you guys, they really lived up to their promise. I will show you the bow bag that they have given. There are a lot of marketing materials here that has discount codes on it should I decide to buy any of the products mentioned in this catalogs. I've got Cotton's Maternity Pad Swing Sample, Waleda Calendula Nappy Change Cream, a newborn nappy, and the brand is Little One. Antibacterial wipe sample, sweet treats from them as well. I think this is a chocolate coated with sprinkles. This one is a facial wipe. More wipe sample for babies. So the last fair that we attended was called Hello Baby Fair. They also have given us a box of Nikki's natural wipes. This is 100% natural ingredients, organic and biodegradable. Let's go with the bag that they have given each of the attendee. I'll show you what's inside. The wellness issue, and this is for September to December issue for this year. More wipes, but this is strong and textured baby wipes from the brand Thank You. Baby clothes in the size 0, baby wash inside, and a nappy cream as well. Bellamy's Organic Teething Rusks. Thank You Baby Ointment. I think this is the same with a nappy cream. Huggies Protect and Care Wipes. There are 10 sheets inside. Huggies Ultimate Nappy Pants. Nappy sample by Baby Love, and this is for newborn. A fruit puree from Funch. A hand sanitizer, which is pretty important Okay, so another way for you to get free stuff is just by simply attending your obstetrician appointment. Since I am not a permanent resident here just yet, I have to go by private health insurance. The first time that I visited my obstetrician in Women's and Children, they have given me this Bounty Parent to Be pack. Inside, I've got Baby Love Cozy Fit sample, Tommy TP Soother, Poise Liner, Milestone cards. This is a nappy pouch just to keep things more organized. I've got a Pseudo Cream sample. This is a nappy cream. A Bump to Birth magazine, which basically has a lot of information in it. Useful information about pregnancy, starting from how to eat healthy when you're pregnant, vaccinations for your infant and newborn. This is pretty helpful for me as I navigate towards my pregnancy. Yeah, I was just so thankful that I was able to get a pack. Finally, the last thing that I did to be able to get most of this stuff is by simply joining a giveaway contest. This is the main reason why I am on my Instagram profile more often these days than on Facebook. I just simply find it easier to join and win giveaway competitions through Instagram than any other social media platform. A giveaway is when a business gives out something for free, could be their products or vouchers to avail their services, or could be really anything that they would like to share through competition that is usually for marketing purposes. There are two types of giveaway contest. We've got the game of skill or the game of chance. When you say game of chance, all you have to do is to like the post, save it, tag as much people as you can in the comment section, and for additional entries, all you have to do is to share it on your stories. Whereas a game of skill is when the business will ask you a question somewhere in the lines of, why would you like to win? Which services would you like to trial out? Questions that will actually require you to research more about the business. The first ever giveaway prize that I got is a maternity studio photo shoot from Celeste of Precious Pearl Photography, and this everlasting dried flower arrangement from PhD Creative. Now, the prize pack actually includes 10 high-resolution digital images with a wooden box of 10 matching prints. Couldn't really stress enough how much thankful we are for Celeste of Precious Pearl Photography. She's so professional, very friendly, very approachable. She made us feel welcomed in her studio, which is at her house. If you would like to go extra and invest in capturing your maternity journey or even documenting your newborn memories in a boho or rustic style, I will link her details in the comment section below so you can check her prices. And for your viewing pleasure as well, I have included our maternity shoots so you can see how amazing she is with her outputs. So next one up is this box of Mommy Smoothie that I have won from Optivance Nutrition. I already opened this box and there are 14 sachets of Mommy Smoothie that are formulated for breastfeeding moms. Now, I'm very excited to trial this out because it says here it has a lot of proteins, vitamins and minerals, and even omega-3 fatty acids. It also has probiotics and, most important of all, collagen. If you have been following me for a while, you would know that I am really a sucker for collagen. I couldn't really stress enough how beneficial it is for us to take in collagen on a daily basis. I will definitely try this out as soon as I popped out. The next giveaway prize that I will show you guys is not an essential baby stuff, but if you're actually like me who's trying to enjoy every part of her pregnancy as a first-time mom, I'm pretty sure that nursery items would be on top of your list. list too. This prize pack includes curated nursery items from a competition collaborated by Verde Baby and Kalani Collective. And these are the items that I got from them. This big item here is actually a Spinky Baby Princess Canopy in pink. I also have got Spinky Baby Wild at Heart Bunny Bella. They also sent me a carousel wall decal, which I wouldn't be able to show you guys right now because I already put it up on our wall. But alongside with it, I did receive this super cute hot air balloon decorative item as well. They also sent me this set of suction bowl and this Cubby & Co blanket, which I'm planning to pack into my hospital bag. This is a 2-tier handmade tassel chandelier in champagne. It just amazes me how beautiful it is. And I will be showing you guys some pictures on how we were able to set up the nursery of our little princess, just to give you an idea on how we were able to incorporate everything as well. Another useful giveaway prize that I won is actually this D9 sound machine. The giveaway contest was arranged by Tiffany, an Adelaide blogger, in partnership with Dream Egg Official. And I am so thrilled to put this into use because this machine is very portable. It's not only for home use, it's very convenient to be taken anywhere to help me put my baby into sleep. Finally, we have come to the last giveaway rewards that I received. And I must say, this prize pool included everything that a new mom-to-be like me would need for her postpartum. There were actually 8 wonderful women, brands, and businesses that came together to be able to put up this wonderful prize pack, and these includes a maternity care gift box from Ice Buddy Woman. And I really like their packaging. It's really nice. It seems that they have put a lot of effort into making this product. So when you open the box, this is what you would see inside. 2 gel breast pads, 1 perineal strip, and if you will lift this, you would see reusable sheets for the breast pad and for the perineal strip. And there is a little catalog here that says about the product. I never knew that products like this existed until I became pregnant. So after doing my research, I found out that this product is truly a lifesaver. What this does is it relieves a mother the pain associated with breastfeeding, even the pain from childbirth, such as perineal tear, episiotomy, and even hemorrhoids. Next is this Haka on-the-go travel pumping set. I'll open the box and I'll show you what's inside. This is how it looks like. I've got a catalog that includes information about the product. It also includes 1 silicone breast pump, which has a suction base. It has 1 flower stopper, which is also silicone. The way it works is that it sits on the neck of your breast pump just like this to prevent accidental spillage. And I've got a breast milk storage bag that you can put into the fridge. Lastly, a sanitizing spray. Another amazing product that is included in the prize pool is this pouch that says You've Got This Mama by Bliss Birth. It basically contains a TENS machine. For those of you who don't know, TENS stands for Transcutaneous Electrical Nerve Stimulation, which is a handheld machine that comes with premium electrodes that you have to put onto your back to help you ease pain of labor. So when you open the bag, you will see the TENS machine itself in this cute pink pouch. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. It looks like this. It also comes with the premium electrodes. You have to stick it onto your back. Also, the electrical wires that connect the TENS machine into the premium electrodes. A quick start guide on how to use the birth mode in this TENS machine. Lanyard so I can just easily hang it onto my neck. And of course, new batteries. All other items included in the prize pool is these lactation cookies from Fill Your Cup. They also sent me a Robert Gordon mug, a suction bowl set from Norris Treasure. I also won this newborn essential package, which is a free online consultation from My Own Birth, alongside with these essential rollers. Darren Boho also sent me this wet bag together in this changing mat. These are actually the garden set. Bare Boho cloth wipes as well, that goes with their bamboo bottle spray. Lastly, a $100 voucher from Checo Wrap. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing their name right, but the $100 voucher I ended up using into their website by purchasing this baby carrier wrap. Some quick tips when joining giveaway competitions: make sure that you read and follow instructions carefully. Don't do anything extra, just go by what the mechanics are. And for game of skill, make sure that you do a little bit of research about the brand or business that is hosting the contest. Most likely you have got higher chances of winning when you incorporate facts into your answer. And lastly, just enjoy. Don't get disappointed if you don't win. That's just basically how giveaway competition works. So that wraps up our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on to my next video. Bye!